The National
Looks
Weather
like the
Service
severe
in
thunderstorm
Chicago
warning
has
just
issued
now.
a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Cook County in northeastern
And it's
Illinois
only for Cook
until
County.
8 p.m. At
Looks like
7:32
Chicago
p.m.,
is on
a severe
its way.
thunderstorm was located over Orland Park, moving north at 30
It's
miles
over
per hour.
Orland Park.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source,
And no
radar
hail
indicated.
is still not
Impact,
remains.
expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
And Chicago's is
Locations
gonna hit
impacted
soon.
include Chicago, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Chicago Lawn, Burbank, Oak Forest, Homer Glen, Alsip, Palos Hills, Justice, Summit, Burr Ridge, Ashburn, Evergreen Park, Bridgeview, Midlothian,
And already
Chicago
interstate
Ridge,
is also
Hickory
affecting
Hills,
the
Western
area.
Springs, Palos Heights, Crestwood, Worth, Countryside, and Willow Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:45 p.m. for northwestern Will, southern DuPage, and central Cook County.